Boosting brain power naturally is a goal many aspire to achieve. Among various methods, consuming certain fruit juices stands out as a delicious and nutritious way to enhance intelligence. These juices are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support cognitive function and improve overall brain health. Here are 6 of the best fruit juices known to boost brain power and intelligence. Blueberries are often referred to as brain berries for a good reason. Rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, blueberry juice helps in enhancing memory and cognitive functions. A study published in the European Journal of Nutrition found that regular consumption of blueberry juice improved cognitive performance in older adults. The antioxidants in blueberries help reduce oxidative stress, which can damage brain cells and impair function. Pomegranate juice is another source for the brain. It contains high levels of polyphenols, which have been shown to improve memory and protect the brain from damage. Research from the University of California, Los Angeles, UCLA, revealed that drinking pomegranate juice regularly can enhance memory and brain activity. The anti-inflammatory properties of pomegranates also help in maintaining overall brain health. Packed with vitamin C, orange juice is excellent for cognitive health. Vitamin C is essential for the production of neurotransmitters and helps in reducing brain fog. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that regular intake of orange juice is associated with improved cognitive function in middle-aged and elderly people. The high antioxidant content in oranges also protects the brain from oxidative stress. Beetroot juice is gaining popularity for its ability to improve brain function. It is rich in nitrates, which help increase blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive performance. A study from Wake Forest University found that drinking beetroot juice before exercise resulted in greater brain connectivity and improved cognitive function in older adults. The increased blood flow helps in delivering more oxygen and nutrients to brain cells. Grape juice, especially made from dark grapes, is another excellent choice for brain health. It contains resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that supports brain function and memory. According to a study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, grape juice consumption can enhance memory and motor skills in older adults. The polyphenols in grapes also help protect the brain from neurodegenerative diseases. Cherries are not just tasty, their juice is beneficial for the brain as well. Cherry juice is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help in maintaining cognitive health. A study from the University of Delaware found that older adults who consumed tart cherry juice showed significant improvements in memory and cognitive abilities. The antioxidants in cherries help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, promoting better brain function.